because I am working in a university for last 35 years, my experiences and when I see the students, significance of mitosis, significance of meiosis, and these are basic things. Whatever advancement, basic is basic, foundation is foundation. Whatever building you want to construct, you construct, but your foundation has to be very strong, right? So, number one, it is the cytotaxonomy. First thing, you have to be best taxonomist. Then only you can become best cytologist, physiologist, whatever you call. But taxonomy is the mother branch of biology, and then other branches keep on supporting and solving problems. Now, meiosis, if I ask my college teachers also, I am sorry, I am telling truth, how you will fix material for meiosis? He says, formalin, FAA, formalin acetic acid. Is it a solution where we should fix material? Right? It is a formalized field. When they prepare 2 days before and they go to field and fix it, whether it will work. So these are minor things. Seem to be very simple things, but without which we cannot get best results. I was telling Mukhay sir that my papers, I am taxonomy, but our papers are more than 60 papers are in cytology in relation to taxonomy. My own. So student like you in this department, he was doing how to prevent and extract. Just I was standing near to him for 3 or 4 minutes, and even now all of you, even with our mobile, you can take best photographs on microscope. One microscope costs about 1 lakh rupees. Even you can buy on your own, and you can become cytologist for whole of the life. This is the purpose. And he was telling this how I should teach. So when you take some plant material, how to reach to the bud which has meiotic cells. If you go on doing haphazardly, you will be finally nothing. You will be seen. So there is a methodology by which you reach to the proper bud, and once you identify bud, in all answers you will get beautiful stages. I need only 5 to 10 minutes to do meiosis in any plant, right? So that is the beauty, and it gives lot of insights.